Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see dispatch save file and config file location. I show you guys where it saves. Open up File Explorer and go to C drive and go to users folder and now open the username folder. If you doesn't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then double click on the folder and select the view option and select show and check mark this hidden items so that this app data folder will be visible. Open this folder and double click on this local folder and double click on this dispatch folder, saved folder, config folder, Windows no editor folder, game user settings. Just right click and select edit in notepad. You can edit the game settings in here and select file and select save it, and it's gonna be saved. For save game, just go back again, go back, and this is the save games folder. Open it, and this is where all your game progress will be saved. Before switching to a new PC or before updating the game, just back up this file just like this, copy the file and paste in another location, and you can easily restore after switching to any PC or after updating the game if something goes wrong. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.